Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Coins Alert, where you can get your crypto fix. I'm your boss. I hope everyone is having a great day. Friday is almost here, Thursday is still left. Tonight is a softball night with only one game at 630. I'm happy. Good morning, get this game over with. I have to go home and pack my bags. Go straight to the game by 7:30, get to relax and watch some Thursday night. If you missed the show last night, over 1,000 people watched the live stream. Football, I can't wait to kick my feet up and rest during the live stream. On TikTok, we got over 5,000 likes, which is crazy. Follow the TikTok account if you haven't already. The link is below, so go there now. Every day, TikTok posts 2 new videos. But look, there's a lot going on in this show. Bradley Garlinghouse, we got the talk. It has to do with XRP ETF. He's pretty much sealed the deal. It's a 100% sure thing. The chance that an XRP ETF will be released in 2025, I'll talk about that a little later. Next, we'll talk about Bitcoin because we made a big statement about it. The total value of all cryptocurrencies will reach $7.45 trillion in 2025. That's exactly what we talked about, $7.80 to $10 trillion in crypto during this bull run. This means that institutions are starting to use cryptocurrencies, which means that XRP will have to be at least $6. So don't wait any longer, sit back and take it easy. Let's get started. The price of Bitcoin, which is now $66,940, is up 0.59% in the last 24 hours. With a value of $2,519, Ethereum is down 2.56% right now. XRP is a lean 52 cents, folks, and USDT and USDC are both 99 cents. It's down 0.43%, but what? Only every hour it's actually zero? There might be green today. It just turned over and moved into the green area. There it is. Don't forget your XRP goal, 61.5 cents, followed by 75 cents. Then the show can begin, and we'll try to break above 74K for Bitcoin. A total of $23140000000 is worth of cryptocurrencies. Now, this was put out by Professor Keith. He told me that the total value of all cryptocurrencies was strong. It took a test of the breakout and then bounced off the 0.786 Fibonacci level, which is also a strong sign. Next up is 2.5 trillion. Right now it's at 2.3. There are 2.5 trillion of them, and that's where we're going. We are slowly but surely getting there, as you can see at 0.886 and 2.5. We're getting stronger. If you're like a lot of people, you thought the bull run would have started by now. You also thought it would end this year. I've been spreading the idea that the bull run will last until 2025. That script is the right one for this. It's going to start. There will be a change in 2025 around tax time. Then it will start up again, and those conical blow-off tops will show up. The summer and fall months of next year. Bitcoin to 100,000 by the first quarter of 2025. The fun has just begun. I like it. On a monthly scale, Bitcoin is making a huge bull sign, just like it did in 2016 and 2020. When the bull flag broke out in 2016, Bitcoin went up by almost 5,000%. It made Bitcoin go up by over 600% in 2020. The number where Bitcoin broke out is now 70,500. It cost 74K. After that, Bitcoin will go through the roof at 100,000. Look, his math might not be quite right. It's possible that my math is wrong. That being said, we both have the same page and timetable. I think it's going to go down in the next few weeks. Bitcoin will start to go up. Keith told you. That 2.5 trillion is the number to watch for the next move in the market cap of all cryptocurrencies. I think Bitcoin will make that move and go over $74,000. That's when the fun will start. It will cost $74,888 first, and then it will reach $100,000. All of that should happen by the end of the year. You now know about the Casper story question that's out there. I am aware that Casper is less than a penny. I think it's around 0.008. It looks awful. I have a Casper. I bought Casper every week for 15 months straight. It's not sold yet. I'm not going to sell it until the bull market ends. Plus, it wasn't a bad year and a bull run was about to start. I might have thought about giving up on it, but the markets are going to pump. That means Casper will also pump. We'll get through this. A lot of people also get it wrong. Don't forget that Casper is not the same as Casper Labs. Nick also talked about this when he said that Casper had been hacked. It fits with the order of events that really happened, which makes you wonder if they were really hacked. Or was that guy behind you? I showed Merlin all of these things last night in a stream. Was he just throwing away his points because this guy was lying? What's good about this? That the person behind Casper Labs was poisonous and harmful? Yes? Not? Meeting goals. He told lies. We now know that he was lying, but we didn't back then. The question now is how Casper will get back on track after this. Yes, the heavy load was taken off their shoulders. He is no longer there. I believe that H-Bar made a mistake by taking him on. More so after what he did with Casper and his history. He was hired for the project, Prove AI, but now that this big question mark has been taken off, what will happen to Casper? This is their chance and the right time for them to start growing. I think that the price of Casper is going down because this guy started selling his bags for probably 6 cents and kept doing it slowly over and over again. That's why we kept seeing the price go down and down. Also, he was stopping innovation with all the lies and corruption he was doing behind the scenes. I mean, it's just another day in crypto, right? Bernstein thinks that by 2025, Bitcoin's market value will have reached $7.25 trillion. Pay attention. I believe what we are now expecting is more of a risk on side of the market cap turn on. I believe crypto will play a big role in that. Of course, we think the crypto market will triple in size from now on and reach almost $7.5 trillion in total market cap. And since Robinhood is one of the few brokers that offers a full-featured crypto platform, we expect that freedom to kind of kick in. With that kind of crypto income going up by almost 9 times. That being said, I think the last 2 years have been pretty tough because rates hit a 24-year high and the general risk environment was very different. We believe that in the future, crypto will be the leader in this area in terms of how much money it brings in from transactions. He says by 2025, that's a lot of money to put into these markets in the next 2 weeks, but I think this will go down. It's possible that the value of Bitcoin will reach $7.5 trillion in 2025. But this fits with what I'm saying and where the market cap of all cryptocurrencies is going. If we get that 7 to 10 trillion, XRP will have a 6% market share, just like it did during the bull runs in 2016 and 2020. This would mean that the price would have to be at least $6. As more money flows into cryptocurrencies, XRP's value will rise. That goes for all cryptos too. When there is more money in crypto as a whole, your asset will go up in value. We don't just want the crypto market to drop to 4 or 7. 7 to 10 with a possible blow up top, maybe even around 18. We want money from institutions and acceptance by institutions. Here's Brad Garlinghouse talking about Harris's plan to fix the wrong way of doing crypto. Pay attention to this. Let's talk about ETFs. Chris Larsson, one of your co-founders, has given your cause a lot of money. We heard you say not long ago that you are very independent. So what do you really know about the differences between the candidates and how they might handle crypto? This is especially true since Harris's campaign has been much less clear. Well, I'm sure of one thing, the way the Biden government regulated the crypto industry is definitely coming to an end. Whatever happens at the presidential level, I think we'll be able to work with this business in a better way. It's an important business. It is a new kind of technology, and I believe that the United States should be at the front and take the lead, just like we were with the Internet of Information. I believe we will succeed. I believe that Gary Gensler's strict rule over the cryptocurrency world will soon end. Brad, what do you think? Does it matter if Donald Trump or Kamala Harris is president on January 20th? What's best for you? Why is it better for Ripple? Hi, Mike. I haven't really made up my mind about the crypto business. From a big picture point of view, it's clear that Republicans have been more vocal about saying that this business needs clear rules. It is possible for a bill led by Republicans to pass the House with the backing of 71 or 72 Democrats from across the aisle. So I think we've seen a focus on Republicans. But I also think you've seen signs that the Harris campaign wants to change some of the very bad ways that the Biden government dealt with the crypto industry and other tech issues. The thing that makes me hopeful is that things will change. We're going to start over. I also believe that we need that